Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can fix your TCL Smart TV loading problem. So if your Smart TV is loading a lot, so for example, if you open any application, for example, if I open the Netflix application, and it is loading a lot and it's not very quick and it's not fast and it loads a lot for each and every action. So what you should do is you can simply go to the TV guard. So this is the TV guard option. You can simply open this. So this TV guard is pre-installed in every TCL smart TV. So what you can do is you can simply click System Optimize, and this is going to delete all the cache and this is going to clear up your memory so that all of the background apps and background data is removed so that your TCL can be optimized and run better. If you want to do more than that, you can simply go to Deep Clean as well. In the deep clean, it is going to search for apps and large file and other files, which you can simply remove and you can clean up. So from here, you can clean all of that data as well. As you can see, the cleanup is complete. So after that, you should see a betterment in your TCL Smart TV and the loading problem should be resolved. If the loading problem persists, you should restart your TCL TV by disconnecting the power cord from the wall. So these are a few steps that you can take to resolve the loading problem on your TCL Smart TV. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.